An announcement on the one rank, one pension scheme expected to be the centerpiece of the Prime Minister's Independence Day speech tomorrow might no longer happen, with talks still stuck on the financial aspects of it. But images of war veterans being pushed around at Jantar Mantar sparking massive outrage, forcing the police to finally back off. How can our veterans, some more than 80 years old, pose a security threat to the country?
They fought for the country. Today they were forced to fight with the police, who came to evict them from Jantar Mantar. The police, citing security reasons, forcibly tried to remove war veterans protesting for one rank, one pension. "82-year-old Bishambar Singh fought 3 wars and has been awarded the Sena Medal. Today's fight, he says, is not just about the pension but about the pride as well.
तुम जवान हो, हम भी जवान हैं, लेकिन तुम्हारे पास डंडे राइफल हैं, लेकिन ये ना सोचो हम तुम मारोगे।
It soon became a political issue. Delhi Chief Minister spoke for them and the Congress Vice President Rahul Gandhi went to visit.
ये सब लोगों ने अपनी जिंदगी दी है, बॉर्डर पे खड़े हुए हैं, लड़े हैं, मरे हैं। पीएम ने इनको वायदा दिया है, उन्होंने कहा है ओआरओपी को मैं करूंगा। हिंदुस्तान की सरकार ने वायदा किया है, वो वायदा पूरा होना चाहिए।
But the veterans are clear the protest is not political, and this reflects in the anti-Rahul chant. For the government, it was time for damage control. Top officials intervened. The Minister of State for Home Affairs spoke to the Delhi Police Commissioner, and the veterans have been allowed to stay. But the issue is far from being resolved. For now, the BJP says it remains committed, and one rank, one pension will come sooner than later.
The government is completely committed to the one rank, one pension principle. It's only the arithmetical translation of that principle, because several interpretations are being given, that is being worked out.
But for many of these men who gave India everything, is it too late?
I'm totally in neurology patient due to Bangladesh war, and I am disabled. अगर ORP हमें मिलेगा तो मुझे डिसेबिलिटी पेंशन भी में भी फायदा होगा और मेरी पेंशन में भी फायदा होगा, इसलिए हमारा काम ठीक होगा।
One rank, one pension was one of the key promises of the Narendra Modi government. But with the government dithering on the ground, angst and dissatisfaction is only increasing. With Tanima Biswas in New Delhi, Shudhiranjan Sen for NDTV.